Okay, so my chapter is chapter 9, section 2, radians and measurements. So what that is if we look at these two circles right here, it's a 360 degrees, or radians as you can also call it, but it's also broken down. So for example, a 30-degree measurement is the same as pi over 6, 45 degrees is the same as pi over 4, and so on. So it's pretty simple. So going on to solving, what we'll have to do with these measurements is to find a coterminal angle. And so our first problem will be an angle of 45 degrees. Pretty simple. So what we're going to do is 45 plus one whole circle, so that'd be 360 degrees, and that would equal 405 degrees. So on that, a 45 degree angle is right here, and 405 degrees would be one whole rotation and right here. So it's a coterminal, but if we also do 45 minus 360, that gives us 315, which means it goes the opposite direction and almost a whole rotation, except for that 45 degrees it does not have. So also in this chapter, we're going to have to convert, and converting is pretty simple. What you're going to have to do is whichever one you are given. So for example, we'll have 120 degrees. So what that is, so you're going to write 120 equals pi radians over 180. So that kind of means 120 pi over 180. Divide these two numbers right here, and you'll get 2 pi over 3, and that's the same as right here, which is 120 degrees. So it works out. And the opposite way, we'll do pi over 3. So the formula for that is going to be pi over 3 times 180 over pi. So you're going to have 180 pi over 3 pi. These cancel, and then you're just going to have 180 divided by 3, which is just 60 degrees. And that is it for my chapter. Thank you.